Have you ever noticed how your priorities seem to do a complete 180 as you get older? One minute you're chasing every wild dream, and the next, you're genuinely excited about a new coffee machine. If you've hit your early 30s, you might know exactly what I'm talking about. Today, we're diving deep into why our priorities shift, especially after the age of 32, and what that I'm ready now feeling is all about. It's not just you. This is a real, well-documented shift that many people experience. Think back to your 20s. Life was probably a whirlwind of exploration. You were figuring out who you were, what you wanted to do, and who you wanted to be with. It was a time for trying new things, making mistakes, and learning from them. Your career was just starting. Relationships were often more casual, and your main goal was probably to experience as much as possible. It was the me decade, focused on self-discovery and personal growth. You might have moved cities, changed jobs frequently, or spent weekends on spontaneous adventures, and that was exactly what you needed at that time. But then, something starts to change. As you approach and pass 32, a new sense of clarity often emerges. You know what you like, what you don't like, and what truly matters to you. The desire for a stable home and a partner to build a future with often moves from the back burner to the front. Next, let's talk about your career. By your early 30s, you're likely no longer at the end. You've climbed a few rungs on the ladder. You've seen what works and what doesn't. The focus shifts from just having a job to building a career. The idea of job hopping every year becomes less appealing. Instead, you start investing in your professional development, seeking mentorship, and thinking about long-term financial security like retirement and investments. You want to spend your limited free time with people who uplift you and genuinely care about you. This is a natural curation of your social life, and it's a sign of emotional maturity. Let's not forget the psychological component. Between those, you've likely faced some real challenges. For example, in relationships, I'm ready now means you're no longer just dating for fun. You're ready to build a life with someone, not just share a few fun nights out. it's important to remember that this timeline isn't rigid. But embrace this new chapter. It's a powerful and exciting time. You have the wisdom of experience, combined with the energy to make significant, positive changes in your life. So, if you're in this "I'm ready now" phase, congratulations. You've done the hard work of self-discovery, and now you get to reap the rewards. You're rebuilding a life that is not only successful on the outside, but also deeply fulfilling on the inside. You're making choices based on your authentic self, not on external pressures or expectations. This is the beginning of a truly beautiful and meaningful era of your life. What have you noticed changing in your own life as you've gotten older? What does the "I'm ready now" phase mean to you? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and insights. It's a conversation worth having, because we're all navigating this journey together. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this gave you some valuable perspective on this incredible life transition. If you enjoyed this video and it resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content about navigating life. Big questions. We'll see you in the next one.